Hi, I'm going to try the family chicken gelato meal tonight. So let's start cooking. Firstly, 200 grams of unsalted butter, frozen and cut into pieces. So these were frozen and they splintered as I cut them. Then 200 grams of plain flour. Next is 90 grams of chilled water. And then half a teaspoon of salt. Okay. Next, put the measuring cup on and 20 seconds, speed 6. Okay. Transfer pastry dough onto a lightly floured silicone bread mat and work surface, then shape into a ball. Just gonna get the dough on here. It's nice and cold. And then I'm going to wrap it in this and chill it in the fridge for 20 minutes. So this is going in the fridge. The dough is in the fridge. It asked me for a clean and dry mixing bowl. I love having 2 bowls, so it's a clean bowl. We can't do garlic, so I'm skipping the garlic clove. And then they were going to chop the garlic, but as I say, we can't do garlic, so we're just going to skip that. Add 20 grams of butter. And then 110 grams of bacon slices. 250 grams of brown onion. So we can also not do brown onion. So we're going to do celery instead. Okay, then next is a tablespoon of dark brown sugar. And next is a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. There we go. Next, half a teaspoon of salt. And insert measuring cup. That's going to cook for 10 minutes. Varoma, speed stir. This smells amazing. So next, without measuring cup, oh, I nearly took it out. I've got to cook it another 10 minutes. It already smells very nice. Okay, so now we need to transfer this mixture into a bowl and set aside. Look how beautiful that has caramelized. Okay, next, 500 grams of water. And next, place Varoma into position. So I've already weighed the chicken in there. Oh, a lid would help. And next we're going to put sweet potato in there. I've got a little bit more. And then scatter with thyme and season with salt and pepper, which I've already done. I'm trigger happy today. Secure the Varoma lid. And then 10 minutes of steaming. Okay, so next, stir chicken and sweet potato to ensure even cooking. So I'll just give the chicken a stir in there. Give the sweet potatoes a stir. Move the side ones to the middle and the middle ones to the side. Whoa. And then we're going to put brown mushrooms into the Varoma. I didn't have brown, I just have these ones. So we'll just add them on top. Secure the Varoma lid. And then another 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to remove the Varoma. They're all nicely steamed. If you need to prolong, you can just add another 2 minutes or so for the steaming. Next, we're going to get rid of the water. Next, just 40 grams of unsalted butter. Oops. $30 grams of plain flour. Teaspoon of chicken stock paste. I don't have chicken, so I'm just going to use some vegetable stock paste. And then some pouring cream. $50 on the dot. Next, 100 grams of water. Measuring cup on. And we're going to cook that for 4 minutes to make a nice sauce. Okay, so they asked to cut the chicken up into pieces, which I've done, and got a sauce in there, so we're going to add the chicken to it. Next, and the sweet potato and the mushrooms. Insert measuring cup and just mix that for 10 seconds. Okay. Then set aside to cool in mixing bowl while rolling pastry. So that's nicely combined. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Transfer dough onto a lightly floured piece of baking paper. Roll our dough into a circle of 40 centimeters in diameter to approximately 5 millimeters thick. Transfer baking paper with pastry onto a large baking tray. Okay, spread cooled onion mixture onto pastry, leaving 5 centimeter border on side. Place cooled chicken mixture on top of the onion mixture. Fold over pastry border, pleating pastry as you fold to create a crust. Garnish filling with extra thyme leaves. Brush pastry border with milk. Bake for 25 minutes or until pastry is puffed and golden. Leave to cool for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Okay, let's roll this out. My first time making it, so let's see. It was chilling in the fridge the whole time. What I like about the Thermomix mat is you can see the measurements over here, so we need it about that big. So this is supposed to be on baking paper, but I'll just transfer it onto my silicone bread mat. And there we go. Now, I'm going to put the onion on, or celery in our case. Just in the middle, because we're going to fold the sides up. And then going to put the chicken on top. And now I'm going to make like a crust on the side. Before I put in the oven, we're first going to brush the dough with some milk, the pastry. And now it's off to the oven. Looks super yummy. Can't wait to give it a try.